Hi guys, today my mommy is sleeping. You want to see guys? Okay. She's here. My sleeping guys. I'm wake up in the morning. I have a lot of toys there, and the day there's here. You see guys? Here. This is bat. A toy for me. Guys, do you want to see? That's my daddy there. That's my daddy there. You wanna see, guys? Ayan siya, Dav. Tapos, guys, mayroon kaming bed, guys. Doon sa makita, guys. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan siya. Mag-clear kami. Mag-ano po kami. Ay, bago ligo po kami. Si Mami. Hi, guys. Good day. There's my daddy here, my bird. There's my bird. You wanna see my bird? There's my bird here. Okay, you're gonna see the bird. Really relax. And the big bird. I buy it for me. I bought a little bit amber here in the box. That's a mean side. Hi guys, this is my you wanna see guys? Ayan siya. Ayan siya. And you know, this is my spot ring. This is my ring, guys. Oh! Ito, tanggalin. Hi, guys. Today, here's my spotter. And it's so cool. I like them. I might buy it. Swishers, guys. I buy it for us to make under the snow and the me. And guys, do you wanna see my bird toys? Here comes the first Amir here and the pig. Relax. Here back. It's relax. Your spot range is not too clear. The small one is for my baby. You can have the monster. Huh?
Wala. Sabi ko palakpak ako sa'yo. Galing mo eh.
Hindi. Mag-scared ka kasi sabi ko sa guys, you can have the monster.
I'm scared.
Hindi. Hi guys, today, you can have the monster.
I'm scared.
Actually guys, do you want to see the monster? Yes!
Oh my God, ako pala yung monster.
Guys!
So it's
Natawa ako guys. Kasi yung mga challenge namin na siya. Ayun siya. Tapos yung challenge. Nag-baby outside. Guys. Hi guys, today is the monster.
I'm the monster.
It is a joke.
Enough na, say bye-bye
I'm
na.
just joking. And then my mommy and she's on the word in this time. And
I'm not working this time. I don't have work now.
working that challenge. Let's challenge now, guys. You wanna see the challenge?
What's
This
the challenge?
is the challenge. You wanna see my pocket and my sticky? Okay, it's my pocket.
It's not your pocket, it's your pillow.
Pillow. You can exercise on my pillow. And here we're snakes. The ranger. And I have the spot ring on my earth. Here. You can see me on the flight of bird. Okay, let's go to hide, guys.
Let's hide, guys.
Hindi
Okay.
ako nakikita, guys.
Hanapin ka namin bukas. Bye!